everybody, it's Julie, Marie, and Jerry, and I'm getting him ready to go on a trip just for 3 days, 2 nights in Florida to handle some business for my mom. I'm so appreciative he's doing that, so I'm setting him up here. Actually, I asked him what he was going to bring, and he said exactly what I had planned. So, first thing he's packing, traveling on a protective diet, we always pack our empty water bottle, because we can fill this at the filling stations at the airport, or we can ask them at the bar after we go through security, or the drinking fountain, or even the bathroom is better than that BPA infused bottled water that's totally overpriced and not good for us or our planet. So pack your empty water bottle. Secondly, he's going to be there for 2 feasts, 2 dinners. So he's packing ramen. It's easy enough for him to cook on the stovetop, and with broth mix, plant-based broth mix, of course. And also, he's packing up a pound of pasta to make in my mom's pressure cooker or on the stovetop, whichever way he wants to do it. And I'm testing a recipe for mixing mac and cheese. He can mix that with water, or he can make kids spaghetti and mix it with water using his plant-based broth mix, or he can stop and pick up a box of soy milk. That's another thing I wanted to mention. Even if Jerry doesn't get to the store to pick up spinach or broccoli to add to his kid spaghetti, spinach to add to his ramen and his broth mix, it's still better than anything he could pick up on the road or at the airport or go out to eat and indulge in and worry about oils and all of those things. He can improve his food quality eating these wonderful, clean, protective diet foods. And that's our goal on a protective diet. It's not so much what we add into the diet, it's the cancer fertilizer and disease progressors that we take out of the diet and keep out of the diet. That's what heals our body and promotes optimal health. And then I made a banana health bread for Jerry. He said he didn't need it. This is hot out of the oven, but I know he's going to appreciate having this. I appreciate him doing this and taking care of business and traveling across the country for my mom and I and my family. So I want to treat Jerry a little bit. Then he's going to fill up the things that he thinks he needs with him on this 3-day quick trip, and like clothes, toiletries, stuff like that. But that's how we do it on a protective diet. Take care and best of health.